got this 1956 Chevy BelAir. We're gonna be replacing this glass here. It is scratched up and it's a little clogged up, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it. The customer got his own glass, his own windshield. I'm gonna grab it and see how it looks. I have done a few classic doors in the past. It has been a while. When I was doing mobile at the time, I had this body shop where I would do all their installs and tinting on the cars that they were restoring. So it's not new to me, but it has been. So before we install the door, we gotta inspect it, and then we are gonna be adding our 55 ceramic tint on the front windshield before we install it. We're also gonna be tinting all the windows on the vehicle. We've done some work for this customer before. We did a full sound system on it. We added a mono amp for bass, 212s, and then we also added a 4-channel for the highs, installed 4 new speakers, made it sound real good. So now we're gonna go ahead and take on this task and get it done. All right, so if you guys need any auto glass, anything from new cars, old cars, classic cars, call me. I'll let you know if I can help you out, and we'll go from there. Peace. Alrighty guys, so here's the process on the windshield replacement on the 56 here. So we were able to remove the glass. You can see his original color. I guess it was two-tone before. Wow, that's pretty nice. That's a nice color. That original color, like a teal green with the white top. Man, I could picture it now how it looked before. There's the old piece of glass. Didn't even crack. I'm telling you, man, they don't make the windshields like this no more. If it was any other car, that thing would have been broken in a couple of pieces. And this is the new piece of glass with the 50% tint on there. That's the new molding for it. So now I'm gonna begin to install it. Let's see how it goes. It is a lot of work, I'll tell you that. More than what I expected. The new cars, 30 minutes. Old cars, 4 hours. Alrighty guys, there it is. All done. The 1956 Chevy BelAir back window tint. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it was not an easy job to do. It took me about a good 3 to 4 tries to get this window down. Keep in mind, this is a used glass. It's been on the vehicle for quite some time. So it was extremely dirty, and I cleaned it up as much as I can. So there's little things that are stuck on the actual glass that I really couldn't do much about. Besides that, the tint looks great. What you got to do is mold this thing first, cut it, and then you got to leave a little gap all the way around before installing. The best way to probably do it would be while you're replacing the glass or reinstalling new moldings. That would be the best way to get it done before installing the glass. In this case, the customer had already replaced the molding and all that good stuff, so I would have recommended to tint it before. Because to remove and retint this back glass, I'll tell you right now, it's not going to be cheap. We tinted all the sides as well with the 20% ceramic. We did the 5 ceramic on the rear, 20% ceramic, 55% ceramic on that front windshield as well. We replaced the windshield, so this one came out really good. So we tinted the window before installing it. So it's a really good install. The tint came out really good. Nice and clean. Gives the car a whole new look. I like it personally. I don't know, some classic cars are not meant to have tint, but since this is already like a satin matte black, it goes with it. So, if you guys got a classic car and you want to get it tinted, call me, I'll give you a quote. If you like it, we'll go ahead and get it done for you. That being said, there's the old glass anyways. Let's get into the rest of the jobs that we got today. Get this done.